There's one file in your project that decides whether Claude Code is brilliant or completely useless. Most people never write it. The ones who do never go back. It's called CLAUDE.md, and in the next 6 minutes, I'll show you a before and after that will make you angry you didn't know about it sooner. Claude.md is a plain markdown file at the root of your project. Every time Claude Code starts a session there, it reads this file first and treats it as standing orders. Coding conventions, architecture, package manager, what done means. It's not docs for humans. It's a system prompt for the agent, written by you, scope to this repo. Watch what happens without it. Real next.js project, no Claude.md. Prompt, add a settings page with a dark mode toggle. The agent guesses. It installs a duplicate dependency. It writes JavaScript in a TypeScript project. It puts the route in the wrong directory because it didn't notice we use the app router. 3 correction rounds in, still drifting. Not the model being dumb, the model being blind. Now drop in a Claude.md that says, TypeScript only, app router, tailwind for styling, theme state lives in lib/stores/theme.ts, run npm test before declaring done. Same prompt. The agent goes straight to app/settings/page.tsx, imports the existing store, writes the toggle, runs the tests, and stops. One shot. The difference isn't the model, it's the briefing. Good Claude.md files have 4 sections. 1 stack, language, framework, package manager. 2 structure, where things live. 3 conventions, naming, error handling, testing rules. 4 workflow, what done means. Run the linter. Run the tests, don't commit. The trap is writing too much. If it isn't enforceable or worth correcting twice, it doesn't belong in there. Treat it like a contract, not a wiki. One more thing nobody mentions. Claude.md is layered. There's a global one in your home folder for things you want in every project. There's a project one at the repo root. And you can drop additional ones in subfolders for area-specific rules, different conventions for the API versus the marketing site. Claude Code stacks them. Use that. Don't cram everything into one file. The gap between a confused agent and a focused one isn't a better prompt. It's a written contract the agent reads before you've typed anything. Spend 20 minutes once. Update it the second time you correct the same mistake. Next episode, agents and parallel work, 3 things at once. Subscribe.